Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. Let's see what's coming up, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys. One card actually for each, your daily energy, your career situation, and your love energy, guys. And before that, I want to thank you all for your great support, guys, and your positive comments. Our channel is reaching 10,000 subscribers, and I am really grateful for your support, guys. So these are for your daily energy, your career situation, and your love energy, guys. And one card from the Oracle Guidance deck, Taurus. This is the card. So we will open these cards now. So Six of Wands. With this card, guys, in your situation today, you are enjoying some kind of success, happiness, and accomplishment today. Something makes you happy and you are celebrating it. And also, you should, this card also denotes that you should not forget the people who have helped you in your work, guys. That team who has helped you reach this success and enjoy this victory. So you have to give credit for their role they have played today, guys. And what is the card for your career situation? The Hangman in reverse. So with this card in your situation, maybe for some of you, you may be making some decisions that may work out beneficial for you, guys, but for some people it may seem selfish on your part. So you need to be quite careful before making some important decisions. You have to think it with have that clear perception of that situation, then make that decision, guys. That is what I see with this card. So for your relationship, it's Eight of Swords in reverse. So with this card, guys, in your relationship, maybe for some of you, this person, they may be leaving you all of a sudden, guys. You wouldn't have expected, maybe because of their job, or maybe they are going for higher studies, or maybe because of some arguments or some stressful situations, maybe. So something is making them leave you. They may be moving out of your house. So some kind of stressful situation, guys, some kind of separation is happening today, Taurus. That is what I see. Let us see what is the card for your Oracle Guidance, guys. The Lover and the Beloved. This card comes with a special message, guys, special guidance. So an offer in your career, or an opportunity, or something is coming towards you, something new is coming towards you, guys. Maybe you would have been interested in that idea, and you would have been nurturing that idea in your heart of hearts, wishing for it to manifest, but that is coming to you right now, and you feel happy, and you feel that happiness in your heart of hearts. And maybe for some of you, if it is someone proposing to you, if you feel that happiness and love with that person, you can go and accept and feel that wildness of love, that romance, making your heart your heart vibrant with that love and that happiness, guys. So that is the Oracle's guidance here, guys. So some new offers are coming your way, guys. That is the reading, Taurus. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, Taurus. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.